Okay, so welcome members. We are going to see now how do we get the volume when they combine a cylinder and then a hemisphere as shown in the background below. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, let us go through the question and then we see the solution after. This one says a solid below is made up of a cylinder with a hemisphere on the top as shown below. So this is a hemisphere. A hemisphere is a half of the sphere. If you know the sphere, then half of it is what we call a hemisphere. Now this is our cylinder here. Find the surface area of the solid and then the volume of the solid. Now what we do, if they ask the surface area of the solid, you see to combine this a cylinder and also to combine a hemisphere. Meaning you need to know how they get the surface area of the separate two figures. Now, know that the surface area of the cylinder is always given by 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi. How are they coming about that? Well, now our cylinder orange is of this shape here. This is the shape of a cylinder here. If it has height h, you know that now to get the surface area, you get the area of this lower circle. So the area of this lower circle is pi r squared. Also the area of this lower circle is pi r squared. So when you get this area plus this area, that's when you get the 2 pi r squared. Now, if I unfold it like this, so if I try to unfold that cylinder, I'm going to be having this as the height, and then you know that this one is going to be, because it's from the circle, the whole of this one is going to be the circumference, which is pi 2 pi r. So meaning, you start if it's in a triangular form like this, it's going to be 2 pi r, then times h. Now, if you want to get the area of this triangle set, then times with this. So we shall say 2 pi r times h. That's why we have it there. So if we add these two areas, these two, then plus the whole of this, the area of this, you get the surface area of the cylinder like that. Now, some people factorize out 2 pi r because it's common, as you also can see. So now, the volume, the surface area of the sphere for it is 4 pi r squared. Then the volume of the cylinder is this. Then the volume of the sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Now, let us see. We start now with the radius. From here, they are giving us the diameter. Meaning that now our radius is going to be 14. Meaning now our r is 7 centimeters. From here, because from here up here is the diameter, which is 14. So now my surface area is going to be now the surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi. Let me factorize out r. Then plus. Now, because this is a hemisphere, it's a half the surface area of the sphere. So here I'm going to put a half into now the whole surface area of a sphere. Because this one is a half, but the whole surface area is this. So half of this will be the surface area of a hemisphere. So now we substitute, this is 2 pi times 7 into 7 plus, this is 20, then plus a half, this will get 2 times pi, then times 7 squared. This will give me 14 pi times 27, then plus, this is going to give me 2 times pi times 49. And then simplify this. You get 17 times 107 times 4. You get 3, 7, 8 pi, then plus this and this, I think you get 9, 8 pi. When you add those two, you get 4, 7, 6 pi, and these are centimeters squared. Now, if the question doesn't give you pi, what pi is, you leave it the way it is. Don't tamper with it. Don't wisen and put your own pi. Now, when you come to the volume, this is part A. Now, part B, I want to get the volume. So, my volume, of course, I'm going to get the volume of the cylinder, which is given by pi r squared x, then plus the volume of this hemisphere, because it's a hemisphere, and this is the volume of a full sphere. It means that the volume of the other is going to be a half of this. So a half. Now the volume 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So can we substitute? This is pi, then 7 squared times. Now my height, which is 20, times 20, then plus this one is the this going to be 2 over 3, then pi times 7 all cubed. Let us see what we simplify. This one is going to be 49 times 2, 20. It's going to be 4. For what? 4, 8, 0. I mean 9, 8, 0, 5. Then plus. This is going to be 7 cubed. Then times 2. So here we have 6, 8, 6 over 3, 5. And if we combine, we are going to cross multiply like this. This times this times 3. We get 2, 9, 4, 0, 5 plus this times this 6, 8, 6, 5. The whole thing over 3. And so the answer will be 3, 6, 2, 6, 5, whole thing over 3. And these are to be centimeters. And that would be the volume of the solid. We insert it there because we don't know what radians is. So that's why we have those numbers. Members, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.